what mixins are, what they do, or how to set them up. So in this tutorial, I'll be like doing that. Okay, go, build.gradle. First of all, in your build.gradle file, you will need in the plugins, I'm very sure, yes, you need to add, in the plugins, you need to add id is equal to org.sponge powered.mixin is version of 0.7.plus. Oh, plus. Yeah, that's the right one. We go on with the plugin spot. Should now look like this. Eclipse IDE Maven publish. Fortran, nice. Adding the mixin annotation.
Annotation.
Oh, no, don't care. Annotation processor. Next. This is the Minecraft API. So we go to, where is it? That's pretty cool. Where is it? Dependencies. That should be it. Minecraft, yeah, that's the dependencies file, and you just copy, paste. Wait, what, over here. Nice. Going on. If you have additional, I don't think anyone can. If, I don't think we any have others than source main. Important settings, configuring, mixing, grading. Nice. Important settings, mixes. We are just going to take this and put that after. Let's add the reference name for our main source and our config name into mix. Where is it? To confirm, please specify the extension name and the closure. Well, I think we just added like here or something. I mean, like here. Nice. I'll just add these. I don't know what they're doing, but maybe I'll find out. Be nice. And I can implement it in my own mod. Mixin. Source main. We only have that one. Thank you. Config mixin my mod. No. Annotation processor options. No, thank you. Example closure with options. Yes. Good. Now we test to get the Gradle built, because build has to be built. And if we add this to the build in Gradle, we can just do the build. Downloading Mixin Gradle. Thank you very much. That's what I like to see. What is that? Build successful, 18 seconds. Love to see it. What's going on down here? For creating, okay, whatever. Good. Now we got to Gradle tasks. For Gradle runs, generate this even more. Build successful in like a minute or so. The best thing is, when you're programming with mixins, please note that plugins, where's the plugins? Where in the heck is the plugins? I don't know. File over here, no. Plugins, hello? Probably in the settings. Plugins? Plugins. Yeah, make sure you have the Minecraft development installed. It's a very helpful tool for mixins and also access transformers, which I will be covering in another video. Next, where were we? Yes, we got intelligent runs. Nice. Next. We got, first of all, in our resources, we need a new class called file called tutorial dot mixins.tutorial.json, and you have to call this config name has to match this name, which is now marked with a mixin symbol from the thank you. We could reload that, but not now. What do I have to add? I don't remember. Oh. Um, Let me just open my package. I have to rename to net beaten craft and then tutorial real, and then we add a new package called Mixin, and then we rename that to tutorial Mixin. Nice. We got the ref map. Well, nice. Next, what we're gonna do is go into the modding. Yay. What do we want to mod first? Tutorial Mixin. Tutorial Mixin. Open, and then we're going to mix into what is this class? We're going to set the class to player. Okay, player. Player.class. Thank you, IntelliJ. Now, the Minecraft development plugin is going to tell you, the mixin is not found in any config, and you can just do that by just doing that, and this is just going to add this to your task. So, pretty good. First of all, we want to look into the player class and be annoyed by this little marker. Anyways, what do we want? What do we have? Like, we want to change? I don't know, but we can just do something crazy and like we could just disable being underwater. Oh, what? Touch. First of all, we're going to override the touch method. Don't ask why. I don't know, but I mean, it's just for like makes it okay. You've got your at override here, and this method you are going to, with this annotation requires exactly this method, and this is going to be crazy about it because like stop overwriting will just completely take this code, delete it, and put in all you have in here. So that's the override for first. Why is this must yes, thank you, CR. And why is this oh, that's why. Touch. And then we go like this. Oh, first of all, the most makes sense going to be abstract. And second of all, it's probably a good idea to have private player self, which is just returning a cast to player, a cast to not override, object, and then this. Not, oh, come on. This. Thank you. Nice. And next, we're going to look at self, and then display client message, component literal, touch, exclamation mark. Is it? And then true. No, no! False. Nice. Uh, we're going to like override it in a second. Anyways, next. First of all, let's just test that. And whoa, help me. Holy shit. Controls, no settings, sensitivity down to nothing. And it's laggy. Why is it laggy? Stop. 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 Narrator, stop. Oh, what in the heaven's name is going on? Why is it laggy? Thank you. And now we should tab. What? Now we should have player touch, 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 and it's laggy as and I can't open it. Wow, we got it to touch. Yay. If you like go here, like it's touching. Wow. Nice. Now we go touch. Yay. As you can see, it's working. We're going to stop that because it's not really important. So we've got this thing. We can just, because of the plugin, really, really good plugin actually. So just do that. It's pretty, bruh. Excuse you. Okay, never mind. Touch, 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 touch. Okay, we got this method here, and this is just player touch this, and like this is this, as you can see. So why bothering? Why, why bother doing this code if you can just add your own code to it without destroying the other thing? This is just called method inject into method. You have to specify the method is in this case touch exactly, and then add the position where it has to be. In this case, we're going to take add head because you're just going to add it right between here and here. So like in between there. Next, this thing is going to be set because it needs more parameters. Yes. Like callback info is so you can cancel the like if I were to ci dot stop it ci dot cancel, it's first of all going to be sad because I didn't make it cancelable, but I could cancel it. This is like if you put like return in here, but because the return statement is technically at the end of the line, this wouldn't do anything, but the ci.cancel would do something. Okay, we did not just do anything else, but I'm going to take this to true. Stop it! Thank you! And then we're going to take a color because I like color. Chat formatting.green because I don't care. Also modding development plugin is this color here. It's pretty good. Anyways, where were we? Ah, yes. Like, just rebuild. Actually, I don't want to like have all this shit going on. Thank you. And now we go again. Going to touch again, if I'm not lagging. Touch, yay! Look at this. Touch. And if you move away, after a certain time it goes. Touch, touch, touch. Anyways, the inject method is mostly better. Get out of here. You get out of here. Because I mean, if many people have like an injection to the touch class method, actually, this might cause problems. If you override the method, but someone else is overriding the method and just like wants to add something in here, but can't because you destroyed it. Very nice of you, actually. Then it's going to crash. So most of the time, you want to use inject instead of like, override. Okay, next one. And for this case, it's going to be add modify constant. In this case, we're going to make a new mixin. What's the class? Excuse you. No, thank you. And this is going to scream because I didn't edit it anyways. And the next thing we are going to do is change some of these values. Many people are going to probably be very bored because the maximum armor you can have is technically 30. Like, what? It's not that problematic in this case because armor is only used until 20, but damage, well, health. You can have a maximum health of 1024. This is pretty bad because, like, if you have I saw a video last few months ago where someone was trying to get the warden to so high HP as possible and then just test how strong the Minecraft Steve actually is. But as Minecraft's max HP is capped at 1024, the game said it was going to be placed to like 1 to the 10 to the power of like 15, but it actually never placed below above 1024. So to fix that, we can just look at this 1024. Well, movement speed is the maximum of 1024. Well, 1024 is most likely going to crash your game. Attack speed. What? Anyways, luck is okay. We are just going to make a mixin and modify constant mixin of target methods maybe. Yeah. And then in this case we're going to take CL init, which is to static init. I'm not really sure. Anyways, it should work. Init is like a constructor. You know what a constructor is? I hope so, because this is where you just you don't have a returning parameter like this. This is a constructor. This will construct a new ranged attribute. And CL init is just for static fields like this one, this, and so on. And in this case, modify constant is a little bit other than most of them. You would be like, oh, I could override the attribute max health, and I was like, sadly, no, you can't. But what you can do is override those, we call it simple parameters like booleans, doubles, integers, and so on, floats, and so on. Like those, I don't know what I call it at the moment. Not quite that important. Anyways, going on. So you have a we want to change the level, the number of 1024 to the maximum value allowed, so we have infinite damage, technically. Well, not technically, but you know. And now we go to double, because this 1024 is a double, and you want the signature of a method with a modified constant is returning the type. You want to modify, then a name like I can't read. Modifying max attribute length. Don't know. Why would you call this method? Why would you make this method so long? And then now it's going to take double. And what in the heaven's name is wrong with you? Method must be static. Fine, make it static. What's going on? Public static. Okay, fine. Private. Thank you. And now we can check every single double value from this file. I can't. Will be taken into our method, like in there, and you have to give a number back. And we are going to simply do this like return if constant is equal to 1024. So and either this. Yeah, not this, because it's negative 1024. It will be replaced. And then question mark, and then you go double dot max value and colon and then constant. So what this is going to do, if the number is equal to 1024 in like all the here, except this one because it's a negative 1024, it's going to take those. It's going to take every single double number, but only those will be changed to the double dot max value, and the other ones are just going to stay the same. That's not really that funny to look at, because, well, it's not gonna be that visible because it's not gonna change anything, but I mean, anyways, modify constant, therefore complete. You can do this to any kind of method. In this case, we got, but oh, no. You could also do this in the player class for, let's say, where do we like start auto spin attack. I don't even know. I don't even want to know what that is. But the point is, you could like modify constant, in this case the true, to false, so it would stop. Don't ask why. It's not my problem. It's actually yours. So you could do mixins are one of the most like powerful things in the entirety of modding, especially for, but fabric as well. Don't don't no, just don't. And you can literally do like anything, anything with this, especially if you got the plugin installed, which is going to help you so much. Really appreciating that plugin. I'm just starting to advertise this plugin at this point. Next one. What do we got? Modify variables like y, but I fine. Um, modify variables. If you want to modify the stack, I don't know why, but um, you drop. Okay, okay, okay. We're just going to do this. So just don't ask why, but we are just going to do this now. You asked for it. Add modify variable is method is equal to drop. Thank you. This, as I said, I highly recommend you adding this plugin. It just fixed so much problems. Why? Okay, we are going to have to do something else in this case. This was the wrong method. We're going to ask for drop. In this case, we're going to this drop. Thank you. Drop. Elnet item stack ZZ. Z is the short form for Boolean and Boolean. Z is Boolean. Don't ask why. I don't know. And then we go private. Don't ask why, because private is better for mixins. Don't ask. Private, what do we got here? Private. Actually, we want to modify the item stack, didn't we? Yes, we wanted to modify the item stack. So we do item stack, modify in, and then we go. Oh, Jesus. No, 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 no. What is this? There are no possible signatures for this injector. What? Let me just look at this for a second. Modify callback should always take one argument of the type to capture and return a same type. For an example, a modify variable for a local of type. Yes, thank you. The injector has two operating modes, explicit and can operate either. Okay, nice. In this case, oh, we forgot to add the add. Add is equal to add. In this case, stop being out of the screen, you load. I don't know. Is it load? I hope so. Why are you mad? Cannot resolve. Load. What do you need? Load ordinal 0. Okay, load ordinal 0. Thank you very much. Ordinal is just number. Ordinal 0, 0, 0. Are you not good now? No, you are not. Nom. I'm just going to take the head, you know. Add, 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 head. Uh, item stack. Thank you, stack. Thank you very much. You're welcome. What if I maybe ask only to? Yes. Thank you. Yes. So arcs only means that it's not. It's only going to scan. Just get out of here. Get out of here. Get out of here. And get out of here. It's only going to look for arguments in the method signature. So it's just going to take this one. And in this case, we're going to return a new item stack of items or diamonds, because we can, and then copy with count, actually. Copy with count, and then stack that get count. Thank you. So we're going to get as many diamonds as we dropped, like dirt on the floor. Don't know. But it should be working. We're going to find out soon enough. Nice. Next test. Anyways, we are going to drop. Yeah, thank you. I know I'm touching. I'm not gonna touch grass though. Okay, we got to drop diamonds. Yay, it's working. That's nice. We can do it with like anything you want to. What should we drop? Netherite leggings. That's pretty much a downgrade, but and we got the diamond netherite leggings. Nice. Okay, it seems to be working pretty nicely, actually. Why do you? Okay, fine. Next one. We could have just taken modify arc in this case because modify arc is just a modify variable with just arcs only. Some Mixin nerds are going to really roast me for this in commentary. Anyways, next one. We got edge redirect. One of the most. In this case, it's actually like they said it was themselves. Edge redirect is probably the most power. Like, where is it? Somewhere here it says it's the most powerful. I read that. Don't ask why. And we're going to have to set a target again. In this case, what should we override? Like, what should we do? We could override the swing item. Oh, I should actually do that. Anyways, where do we go? Oh, get dig speed. Many people like want to do some random enchantments. Like in this, I'm just going to modify the get a block efficiency stuff. So in this case, method. The method is obviously get dig speed. You just get dig speed. Thank you. And then the add is a little bit complicated in this case. Add is in this case invoke. Invoke is if you like access something. In this case, invoke is when the JVM, I think it's called, um, sees a method reference, or like in this case, just a method, and then just invokes it by just calling it and just executing. In this case, we want to look at when this, in this case, in this method, the get block efficiency method is called, and we are going to target it to enchantment helper.get block efficiency. As I said, please add this plugin to your. No, don't remove. Stop. Add the plugin. Learn to talk. Yes. Add redirect. Okay. We want so we have to completely take everything in with private static integer get fe proxy. Don't ask why, and it's going to ask. It's tell you, method parameters do not expect match expected. Fix. Thank you. And in this case, we just want to check. Wait, help me. If return. No, not return. Oh my god. Return enchantment helper. Get was it get dig get mining get off. Damn it. Get block efficiency. Ooh, block efficiency of living. You can call this because it's technically not in this method, and it's not going to create a loop. Plus, in this case, like what we're gonna call looting. Don't ask why, but we're going to take for tutorial reasons. We're going to not modern enchantments. We don't have modern enchantments. Thank you. Enchantments dot City Church? No. Protection, yes. Don't ask. Protection. Well, no. What's block fortune? Yes. Fortune and then living. Living. Nice. And now the efficiency is not only be by the block efficiency, but also by the fortune. Don't ask why, but it's going to work. And redirect is, as I said, the most powerful thing because it technically overrides this method. Like, it's not going to call this anymore. It's going to call this. It's going to call this method in here instead of this one. You can do this with any method. You just need to have the right target. And the target is, once again, I said this too many times this video, but do install this plugin. It's extremely helpful. Holy shit. It made my life so much easier. Where are we? Yes. We're going to test now because we have time. I think that's also the last thing we want to do because, well, why? Stop. That doesn't seem right. What did I do wrong now? Static modifier of handler method does not match target in. Get every property. What is going on? Apply injections. Okay, we're just going to remove that static field, that static interface, and integer. Stop it. And now we go. Brr. Do not crash again. I dare you. As I remember. Why is it laggy as fuck? What is Minecraft Forge 1.20 doing to this game? Oh yeah. Test object number 1, a diamond netherite. Thank you. What? Efficiency 5. We have to do this as well. And fortune 3. Now we've got a little bit more. We're going to place 2 obsidian. What? And we are going to count the timer. This is without, and this is with. Timer starts. Pretty good. What are you touching? Are you touching yourself? What the? Oh, probably.